Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I will describe and show the project how to pass one controller to another controller data in Swift. So basically, how to data pass into one controller to another controller. So at first we take two controller, first one controller and second controller. So first controller we will take first name and last name, and then we will send first name and last name data to the second controller, and then we will display the first name and last name to the second controller. So here is our basic project. So at first we need the level. This is the level. So we can set the constant, suppose top 20, left 20 and right 20. This is the constant. This is the title. The title is first controller. You can set the color, take it bigger, and we will take the two input field. Suppose text field. The first one we will set the constant 20, 20, and this placeholder is first name, and we will take the another text field. We will set the constant 20, 20, and right side is 20, and we will set the placeholder last name. Now you will take the button. When we will button click, then first name and last name send to the second controller. So here the button name is send. You can set the button constant 20, 20. We can set the button background color, then it will be visible. Suppose button color is okay. So we take bigger, and text color we set the white. Okay, white. Okay, our first controller design is done, and then we will take the data to first controller. We need make outlet for getting the first name and last name. First first name outlet, and last name outlet. Okay, then we will set the click event, the send button, btn click. Okay, okay. Now we will send data first controller to second controller. So we need the another controller, another view controller. We will take the another view controller. This is the second view controller. The second view controller, we will take level, level, second controller. You can set the color. You can set the label constant. Okay. Set the center, and then we will take the another label for the output. When we will take first name and last name, then we will show to the second controller. Suppose full name. Now we will send data for first controller to second controller. So we will data send to the second controller by Segue. Click the first controller control and drag it to the second controller. And this is the Segue. Each Segue has a unique ID, name, say CGUE, Segue ID. By this Segue, we will send data to the second controller. Okay. Now we need to create the second controller. Click the file and second view controller. Okay. Now we will assign view controller class to the second view UI controller, second view controller. Okay. Here is the full name label. We will make outlet full name, full name outlet, outlet. Okay. Now go to the first view controller. We will send data by Segue. So at first call the perform Segue with identifier. Our identifier name is name Segue and sender is self, and then we will call the perform Segue. Create the view controller sender dot destination sorry, this function is not proper function. We will call the prepair override function. Segue dot destination as our second view controller. We will pass data to the second view controller. bc dot our second view controller need to set the variable here bar full name string empty. We will set the full name to the full name outlet. Self dot full name outlet dot text dot full name. Okay. Now we call the full name. So now we take data from the first name and last name bar bar name equal to self dot first name dot text. We will concat the first name and last name. Self dot last name dot text. Text. Then we will assign the name to the full name. Full name. Now we can run our project. Take a few seconds for load the emulator or simulator. The initial view controller. Okay. So our project runs successfully. So now we will insert the name. Suppose John first name and last name is Smith. So now we will send first name and last name to the second controller by concatenation and with Segue. Click the send button and then you will see the second controller, and this is second controller, and this is the first name and last name configuration. We want to see full screen to the second controller. John and last name is Smith. So here is the second controller, John Smith. So in this project, this is the basic project. I want to tie the pass the data first controller to second controller by a Segue, and our this is the two controller, and first controller is the view controller. View controller. So at first take the first name and last name, and we send data by Segue uh, by perform Segue, and then the first name and last name data pass by Segue to the second view controller, from the second view controller, we take the full name. This is the full name variable, string variable. This data pass from the first view controller, and get the data first view controller, and full name is assigned to the full name level, and this full name level is this full name level. This is the second view controller. So first name and last name sent to the second view controller by Segue. Thank you so much.